Hey, watching you dizzy. It's April 14th. I want to thank everyone who sent me a happy birthday uh, wishes and all that. Somebody sent me the crud. I've been on this couch for 3 days, sick as a dog. Uh, I came home from, I was over at my brother's for my birthday, and I came home, laid down on the couch Wednesday night, and it's Friday, roughly 10:30, and I'm still on the couch. I haven't gone anywhere. Um, Trying to catch up on a bunch of videos, watching you dizzy harass the the circus guy. Where's the elephants? But, looks like you got a couple good scores there. The little electric scooter, and uh, maybe you can get that your new cop buddy to give you a police escort on your toy drive giveaway at Christmas time. And, all right, I just wanted to let everyone know that thanks for the happy birthday wishes and all that. And I got a uh, few gift cards in the mail. I want to thank y'all. Uh, if I don't die, I'll give you an update on that. I feel like death warmed over right now. All right, bye.